Simba.
Cookie! Cookie!
But that feels much better, Alicia.
Does it? Okay, good. If you want me to rewrap it later, I will. Just tell me.
Yeah, that's okay. So tomorrow at 6:30 you're up there again, huh?
Yep.
Did I call
Come here,
you
puppy.
At a good time? That's a good time to call? Quarter after I called you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Any time is good. I try to leave at 5:30. It doesn't always work out that way, but...
You get up early.
Yeah. Tomorrow I have school from 6:30 to 10, and then we leave.
In the morning?
Mhm.
Oh,
And then we go back for our evaluations.
okay.
At like 11 or 12 or whatever, and then after that we're done. So.
I should be done by then. 10:30 I got the physical.
Okay.
But see, if they're good, if they really call you when it's a time, shouldn't take longer than a half hour.
No. No.
Guess they're gonna. No, it didn't say I should fast or nothing. Well, what for? So Alan is signed up with the Humana.
Good.
Yeah. And we get $25 of free stuff next month. So he gets 25, I get 25. What you looking for?
The dog. Where'd the dog go?
Running around.
Cookie.
What's he scratching something?
Cookie. I have no idea. She ran away.
Cookie, cookie, cookie.
Cookie.
Have no food for that good dog. You hear it?
I have an idea.
Hello, come on in. No, you can fool her, huh?
No, she's smarter than Simba.
Simba would have been there. Yes? Who's there? What they say? They coming home already?
Yeah, they're on their way.
You need shampoo?
Nope.
She got
Oh,
shampoo.
well, I do, but